Hello guys, welcome back to Miss Pari. Today we are gonna unbox this. So first please subscribe Miss Pari and don't forget to like, share and press the bell icon. So let's start. For the first layer, let's open this. Okay, we have opened this. Now let's see what the surprise is. Okay, this is right here. Let's cut these from scissors. Okay, one is done. Second is done. So we have got collectible stickers and a secret message. So the second layer we have to open now. Let's open. Right there, let's open. Yeah, it's like done. Okay, done. Now let's open the surprises again. Okay, so let's open. One surprise done. Now the second surprise, let's cut it. Okay, we have the surprises done. Now the third layer, we have to work for the third layer. Yep. So now the third layer, let's open this from right here. Let's open right here. Done. So now let's open. I need to cut the surprises again. So let's open these. Oh, one done. Okay, now we have to open the second surprise right here. And let's open this. Okay, one more done. So this was the last surprise. Now I think so in the bottle, in this, I think there is something more surprises type of. So let's open the cap. It's so pretty. I'm very excited too for this. Okay, we got type of this. Let's open. Oh no, we can't cut it from scissors. Okay, so let's remove this like this from hands. Wow, it opens so easily. Okay, now there are more surprises as I had thought. Okay, we got this. Done. We got two surprises again in this. Okay, so let's open these. But first, I think I should show you the I think so, yes, this one. I have to show the secret message to you. Okay, so the secret message, you guys, I think you know, sun plus flower is equals to sunflower, and these are some collectible stickers, okay, of L.O.L Surprise. And now let's open the subscriber. I'm again telling subscribers. Surprises. It should be surprises. So right now, let's open this. Yeah, right here we got a small hairband. Wow, it's cute. It's actually this L.O.L Surprise, I'm gonna tell you, is of the unicorns. The unicorn one I got. So now the next surprise. Yeah. What is in this? It's a very okay, so this is a t-shirt and a shorts. Okay, it's so nice. Okay, now let's cut this one. Oh wow, what we got? We have got what's this? Yep, this is a bottle. Wow, it's so cute. This is so pretty. Okay, now 3 more surprises left. Let's open this. Wow, it's a cute frog. So so beautiful. Okay. Now, okay, 2 more surprises to go. These surprises. Okay, let's open this. Oh ho. Okay, what we got? I think so. Shoes are missing. I think we will get shoes. Okay, we have got a specs. Oh, there are more things inside. So I think so. These are shoes. Yep, these are shoes only. Here are the 2 pieces of shoes. Wow, it's so cute and pretty. Okay, now these things are done. Now I think we got the body of the unicorn doll. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I was right. Okay, yeah. Wow, her hair is quite good. I liked her hair. Okay, now let's put this on her. Okay, otherwise we're done. So the frog. Okay, once again. Yeah. Wow, it means it matches her hair, blue hair matches, and the shoes, I think so, yes, they too match. Now her purple crown. So cute. Wow, means this is amazing. This is really amazing. And an orange bottle. Done. Okay. Now let's. Okay, this one is done. Now let's give her shorts and pant. Yep. Here's her specs. Now pant and shirt. Okay, this too matches her hair. And this shorts matches. Yeah, the shorts matches her dress. Yep. It's. I mean, really, it's amazing. I can't just say that it's so amazing, yeah. I got some shoes again. Okay. We get the bottle. Wow. So it's all done for my guests. So, okay, bye guys. And please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye.